Does the Quran contain miraculous scientific facts that couldn't have been known during the time of Muhammad and are only being confirmed by scientists today?
Did you know the Quran revealed a scientific miracle about the ocean over 1400 years ago?
Let me guess. The two seas and the barrier between them that keeps fresh water from mixing with salt water, which isn't even true.
In the Quran, chapter 25:53, it says, "And it is he who released two seas, one fresh and sweet, one salty and bitter, and placed between them a barrier that cannot be crossed."
So there are two seas. Which two seas? One of them is sweet and fresh. The other is salty and bitter. There's a barrier between them that cannot be passed.
Scientists only just discovered that when fresh and salt water meet, they don't mix.
Fresh water and salt water don't mix? Notice that Lily J didn't bother to ask AI about this one. Why? Because she couldn't get it to lie about this.
There's an invisible barrier between them that keeps them separate called halocline, which forms between them due to differences in chemical composition, density, and temperature.
The only part she's right about is that halocline has something to do with density and temperature. When fresh water from a river enters the ocean, the salt water, like Lily J, is more dense. So the less dense fresh water will stay on top for a bit. But there's no barrier that cannot be passed, as the Quran says. It just takes a while for the water to mix. So what is the Quran saying according to actual Muslim scholars? It's saying that there's fresh water over here and salt water over there, and land in between. The land is what keeps the two kinds of water separate. That's true enough, but is it amazing scientific knowledge that couldn't have been known in the 7th century? I'm going to have to go with no.